At Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer, we are dedicated to providing compassionate and effective legal representation for individuals going through same-sex divorce in New York City. With years of experience in family law and a deep understanding of the unique challenges faced by LGBTQ couples, our firm is committed to protecting your rights and helping you achieve the best possible outcome during this difficult time. Our New York City LGBTQ divorce attorney offers comprehensive legal services including divorce proceedings, uncontested divorce options, family law matters, child custody arrangements, high net worth divorce cases, and same-sex divorce representation. We understand that every relationship is unique, and we tailor our approach to meet your specific needs while ensuring your rights are fully protected throughout the entire process. Can a court consider the years we lived together before we could legally marry when dividing property and determining spousal support? Yes, while New York law technically only recognizes property acquired during the legal marriage as marital property, courts have shown willingness to consider pre-marriage cohabitation periods when making equitable distribution and spousal maintenance decisions for same-sex couples. Judges have discretion to examine the entire relationship history and may apply equitable principles to avoid unfair results when couples functioned as an economic unit for years before marriage equality. This requires thorough documentation of your relationship timeline, shared finances, and joint property acquisitions made before you could legally marry. If I am not the biological or adoptive parent of our children, can I be ordered to pay child support after divorce? Courts may impose child support obligations on non-legal parents who seek custody or visitation rights through equitable estoppel or other legal theories establishing a parent-child relationship. If you have functioned as a parent to the children and are requesting parenting time, the court can require you to provide financial support as a condition of granting those rights. Additionally, voluntary support payments made during the marriage can be considered evidence of your parental relationship and may influence whether support obligations continue after divorce, making it important to understand how seeking parental rights affects your financial responsibilities. What happens if one of us transitions during the marriage and then we decide to divorce? New York recognizes marriages regardless of the spouse's gender identities, so a transition does not affect the validity of the marriage or the divorce process. However, transition-related factors can impact property division and spousal support considerations, particularly if employment discrimination or medical expenses affected income and marital assets. Courts will consider how transition affected the financial circumstances of both spouses when making equitable distribution and maintenance determinations, and custody arrangements should focus solely on the best interests of any children involved rather than being influenced by a parent's gender identity or transition status. Our New York City LGBTQ divorce attorney proudly serves clients throughout New York, including Manhattan, NY, Brooklyn, NY, Queens, NY, Bronx, NY, Staten Island, NY, Yonkers, New York, New Rochelle, New York, Mount Vernon, New York, White Plains, NY, and Port Chester, NY. No matter where you are located in the New York City area, we are here to provide dedicated legal assistance when you need it most. If you are facing a same-sex divorce and need experienced legal representation, contact Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer today. Visit https://brooklynziopro.blob.core.windows.net/New York City LGBTQ divorce/attorney.html or call 212-537-5859 to schedule your consultation and learn how we can protect your rights and guide you through this challenging process with compassion and knowledge.